In this video, we're going to learn about how to translate a figure on the coordinate plane and write the translation as an ordered pair. The first transformation that we reviewed earlier was a reflection over either the x or the y axis, and that was page 1 of your packet. And so for this one now, we're going to be sliding the figure, all right? We're going to slide the figure the same distance in the same direction. I'd like to remind you guys that a horizontal shift is a left-right thing on the x-axis, while a vertical shift would be an up-down thing on the y-axis. Now on the coordinate plane here, I've got an example already done for you, and I'd like to remind you guys of your vocabulary. That hexagon DEFGHI is considered to be the preimage, and here D prime, E prime, F prime, G prime, H prime, I prime, that's going to be called the image. So to identify how this was translated, first I'm going to ask you to take a look at point D. And point D is currently located at -6, 6. D prime is located at 1, -1. What we can do is take a look at D and compare it to D prime and see that it moved over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. So it moved over 7 and down 7. That was actually given to us right here. We were told that the preimage DEFGHI was translated right 7 units and down 7 units, and that's how it got to be here. What I did though was I asked you guys if I showed you this and then this, the preimage and then the image, I just demonstrated how we can write that translation as an ordered pair, over 7, down 7. That should work for any point. Let's check with point H. If I look at H and check for H prime, I can see that it is over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all it means up top when it says that every point moves the same distance in the same direction. All right, so now we're going to practice with a couple of examples. If you need to pause the video to draw the preimage MATH on the coordinate plane, do so. But M is graphed back 4 up 2, so that's point M. Then A is back 1 up 2, so there's A. Then T is back 1 up 4, so there's T. And H is back 4 up 4. So here is rectangle MATH. What we are now going to do is translate that figure -3 units horizontally and then 2 units vertically. Now horizontally on the x-axis, it's going to move back 3, and then 2 vertically, it's going to move up 2. So the translation written as an ordered pair is back 3 up 2. So each point simply goes back 3, back 1, 2, 3, up 2. That's going to be M prime. H goes back 1, 2, 3, up 2. T prime, back 1, 2, 3, up 2. And A moves back 1, 2, 3, up 2. And that would be A prime. And then when you connect, you have successfully translated that figure back 3 and up 2. Now all we have to do is list these points of the prime points. So M is back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4. So M prime is back 7, up 4. Take a look and see if you notice that right here from the preimage, if it moved back 3, now it's at -7, and then if it moved up 2, now it's at 4. So if the next one moves back 3, that'll be at -4. And if this moves up 2, it'd be at 4. And we should see A prime at -4, 4. And what do you know, right there, we do. So T, that point moved back 3. And then the y coordinate moved up 2, so that'd be a 6. And h, if we move this back 3, it should be -7. And if I move this up 2, it's going to be 6. All right? So now let's take a look at the next example where we're going to translate the figure vertically. Careful, vertical is going to be a down 1. So down 1 is in the y spot. And horizontally, so as an ordered pair, we're going to move it to the right 5 and then down 1. Now let's use our shortcut. Let's take each of these x coordinates and move them over by 5. So -4 plus 5, that's going to be 1. -1 plus 5, 6. -1 plus 5, 6. -4 plus 5, 1. All right, now for the vertical shift, each one of these moves down 1 point. So 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1 again, 1. 4 minus 1 would be 3. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So let's check to see now if we actually move this the right way, do we get these purple points? So we're going to move this over 5. So I'm going to move it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 1. Boom. Let me try that one more time. Over 5, so 1 spot, 2 spots, 3 spots, 4 spots, 5 spots. Now we're going to move it down 1. Ah, I see what's wrong. My pre-image, I don't even have it in the right spot. So give me 1 sec. Let me just delete that. My mistake, folks. If I move this right to there, now this is the pre-image MATH in the right spot. I just originally had it in the wrong spot. So now what I'm going to be able to do is I'm going to move this one over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then down the 1. And right there we have all of these purple points in the right spot. M prime is right there, over 1, up 1. A prime is over 6, up 1. T prime is over 6, up 3. And H prime is over 1, up 3. Translations are also congruent figures of each other. It's a shape that's the same size, it's just in a different spot. That concludes the video on translations.